Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a live analysis on Volatility 50 index, and hopefully we are going to see how this trade will turn out just few moments later after being executed. But before we proceed, please be aware that I do offer a one-to-one mentorship program that will help you to get a lot of answers to some of the questions like how can I possibly increase my monthly income from day trading or swing trading, or I'm already studying and trading as hard as I can, why aren't I making any more money? I'm here to do my best to help you personally solve all of these problems. For any further details, please do check the description below. Hello guys and girls, so the pair is Volatility 50 index. Today I'm going to share with you one of my best strategies when it comes to day trading, and a very important point that you have to know is when it comes to day trading, the highest time frame to start doing your analysis should be the 4-hour time frame only, or at least according to my rule. After making sure that you are on a 4-hour time frame, then the next step will be to make sure that you know exactly the current trend of the market price. This is just simply because you are to make sure that you are not be taking any trades that go against the market direction for any funny reason that you may have told yourself, and so on. And that should be your second rule. So by looking at my current trend on VIX50, I come to notice that the trend of this market has been to the downside all along. Hence, by knowing that, can anyone in the comment section try to remind me what to do when the market is on a downtrend? Just take some few seconds to write down your answers in the comment section, and I will pass through your answers as always. Well, I bet that was an easy question for you, right? Yes, you are right if you say that on a downtrend market, we are to look for sales only. That's a very correct answer. Big up. Now the third step is how to get those entry setups for us to enter in such kinds of markets. And by looking closely, I see that the market has broken a very important support level. Hence, it will just be a good idea for the market to retest to this broken level before we get our entries. But in zooming in to see the charts up close, I noticed that the retesting candle failed to show some rejections by leaving upper wicks on the broken zone. Now, it is important to know this, that these weak rejections are very important when the market retests to the broken supports, as it just simply tells us that the sellers are still up strong, and vice versa for the buyers. Since none of that happened, then it is no shame to say that our first expected entry did not just happen. So does that mean that we should now look for sells no longer and go for buys? Possibly not. So what to do is that I'm going to mark this downward impulsive leg with this big rectangle, and since the lower high of this impulsive move is not broken yet, then it means that the downtrend may still have a good momentum. Now let me zoom in to the lower time frame, which for this case is the 1-hour time frame, so as to get more of a clear picture.
This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
And my dear Lord, I see a very interesting candlestick pattern on the zone of the lower high, just where it was meant or supposed to be. Now this pattern, I'm sure most of you know it. You have been seeing a lot of this pattern on your charts. For the case of those completely new to this, then let me just tell you that this candlestick pattern is a doji candlestick, a very powerful reversal pattern indeed. Now, having noticed that all of my entry conferences have been made, then what's next is to enter my trades right away. And take note that after this, you have to wait and see for yourself how this trade will turn out to be. And I hope that you will learn more on how I do manage this trade from the entry point to my take profit targets.
Try to fight it, but you can't even feel it. Try to deny it, but it's coming from someone you love. Not the wisest to deceive her. Cannot hide away above it all. In the silence is conceited, 'cause it believes that we're defeated. To our surprise, I believe.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. If by any chance you haven't still subscribed to this channel, then please take this time to smash that like button and subscribe button, of course, without forgetting to turn on the notification bell so as to be the first to watch any of my future uploads.